So is managing poor performance something that falls on the employee or management? It is a two-way street here to manage poor performance. It's not as easy as hire and fire. Actions from both parties should be outlined so each can have a responsibility to fulfill them, strengthening team accountability. Bonus search. COVID-19 remote work. Being that remote work has been an option, 21st century managers are left to deal with the problems caused by this as well. I have found it interesting to take a deeper dive and look at how COVID-19 has added to this stressor and negatively impacted management for managing these underperforming employees. Communication is an essential function within the POLC framework that is most essential for managers to achieve to lead people. To manage underperforming employees, effective communication is needed. Communication must be adjusted for a remote environment to be successful. The manager should keep in mind that the chosen channel of communication influences how information rich the message might be. Hosting a meeting through a video conference call rather than using a formal written document to convey information you are wanting to pass down can make all the difference. This is due to the simple fact that body language and tone can be taken into account with a face-to-face encounter. Effective communication is important in managing underperformance because this is the foundation for a well-functioning work environment. Effective communication improves employee relations by encouraging strong communication skills. This comes with job satisfaction increases since this enables important work relationships throughout. Having the ability to communicate effectively ensures employees work together as a team to get the job done, eliminating any underperformance from employees. Effective communication enables gains within work productivity between employees and management. So for the final takeaway of the presentation for managing underperforming employees, underperformance is manageable. Thank you all so much for listening and for following along with my strategy that I plan to implement. I hope with this presentation, you're given knowledge and information on ways to achieve managing this underperformance in the workplace. Thank you so much. And here are some of my references that I use to help form my arguments, and there's quite a lot. Thank you so much.